In this video, pag-uusapan natin lahat ng mga licenses na meron si Cubits Cube or any document na pinapakita nila to make them legit. So yan, Cubits Cube license. Maka-cover natin dito, Cubits Cube licenses, MSB registration nila, IRS from Secretary of the Treasury, Crypto Exchange Cooperation, Yahoo and Google News, and lastly, yung latest nila is yung KPMG audit. So ito, unang article of organization. So basically, itong document na to, pwede nyo i-post para basahin. But, ito lang yung nagsasabi na this is a limited liability company. Okay, and under this law, sila. Basically, ibig sabihin nito, yung liability ng kumpanya, which is Cubits Cube, is separate doon sa liability ng personal na nagrarun na ito o may-ari ito, which is si Dominic McBrail. Then next is yung FinCEN or Financial Crimes Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. So ano bang ginagawa nito? So ayan, MSB registration status information. And ito makikita nyo rin sa website nila. Ayan, ma-search nyo rin dito sa FinCEN website itong Cubits Cube. So itong FinCEN na to is registration for them to provide financial service like yung money transfer, currency exchange, check cashing, and more. So being registered with FinCEN means that business is compliant with US laws. So regarding money laundering, financial crimes, and other regulatory requirements. Basically, kailangan to para, alam yun, hindi magamit yung kumpanya na maabuso yung system para gamitin sa masama, like yung money laundering, di ba? So basically, this document is the authoritative approval of the US Treasury Department to conduct related business around United States. Then next, itong New York State Department filing receipt nila, New York. So basically, this document verifies that the business is legally recognized by the state of New York. So for instance, if you are considering doing business with Cubits Cube LLC, so this document provides assurance that the company has been properly formed and is compliant with New York state laws. And then next, so kung makapansin nyo, pag nagbubukas kayo ng Cubits Cube, makikita nyo dito na they are in partnership daw with Binance and OKX. And Binance and OKX, alam ko, sikat na sikat yan. For sure, kahit isa dyan, alam mo. So they are the biggest, currently the biggest crypto exchanges here in the world. So kung walang ability si Cubits Cube na mag-create ng money, so, or the company is not guaranteed. So, almost impossible na makapag-cooperate sila dito sa mga exchanges na to. Then, next is yung pag-publish ng, sabi natin, Yahoo Finance and Google ng mga news about Cubits Cube. So, basically, they need to undergo strict review before publishing news. So, kung hindi formal yung company, it's almost impossible to obtain news release. Next naman yung IRS. So, ayan, makikita nyo, 2 page. So, basically, si Cubits Cube pays taxes to the IRS or Internal Revenue Service. So, created ng Secretary of the Treasury to manage and enforce yung mga IR code. And also dito, makikita natin kung dito sa Pilipinas meron TIN or Tax Identification Number. Dito naman merong Employer Identification Number. So, meron ng inassign na number that will make the company or allow it to in various business activities that require federal tax identification. So, kumbaga ito, these are critical steps for ensuring that the business operates legally and can participate in activities such as pag-open ng bank, hiring ng employees, and conducting business transactions. And next, ito kung makita nyo yung latest update nila, Cubits Cube completes KPMG independent audit, strengthens operational transparency and compliance. So basically, they audit or cover all aspects of operational practices ni Cubits Cube gaya ng financial reporting, risk management, data security, customer asset protection measures, and audit result not only verifies the company's commitment to transparency. And sa mga di alam kung ano yung KPMG, so ito lang naman yung one of the 4 largest accounting and auditing firms sa buong mundo. So yun guys, na-cover na natin lahat ng licenses. And itong masasabi ko guys, important na mag-join kayo sa tamang community. Kasi mamaya, sinasabi nyo Cubits Cube pero hindi naman pala kayo Cubits Cube. So ayan, pwede kayo mag-join sa group natin, Qubits Cube Philippines or community natin. So ayan, lahat lang ng part ng community natin yung una sa balita. No? So ayan, delikado pag huli ka sa balita. Pero pag part ka ng mga right community, so nung nakaraan lang may sinabi ako sa kanila na alam mo yun, exclusive lang sa mga part ng community ko. So ayan, kung gusto maging part ng community ko, just register and trade using our link and then send nyo lang yung screenshot nyo sa Facebook page ko, which is ito, Keljash Business and Investment. So ayan, message nyo lang ako dyan kung gusto sumali sa community ko, and kung gusto nyo palang other source of passive income, gusto nyo mag-diversify or you need investment consultation, business consultation, or knowledge about finances, huwag kayong mayang mag-reach out.